Hey guys, what's going on? It's your girl Simply Said. If you'd like to see how I got this quick, simple, low, sleek braided ponytail on my natural hair, then you better keep watching. Alright, I'm back out the shower. This is what I look like. So all I'm going to do is put the gel on top. I'm going to speed through this part. You already know I'm just going to put the gel on top, brush it through, and I'll probably come back when I want to go to add the ponytail. I think I'm going to do the ponytail a little bit differently than I did before. So just keep watching. I'm going to speed through this part. Got my Eco Styler gel, my music playing in the background, and good to go. Speed it through. I'm gonna tie this down and I'll be right back. But I'm gonna moisturize this with the Melanin haircare product. I'll just use the water as my leave-in. And I'm gonna just apply some of the oil. And then I'll follow up with the Twist Elongating Style Cream. And that's it. I'm gonna leave this dry for about an hour or however long. Probably no more than 2 hours. I'm trying to get this style done for you guys so I can edit and make sure it's ready by the schedule. I'm trying to keep on a schedule. Let me know if you guys see the pattern of the schedule that I'm on right now. Let me know if I'm doing a good job with my uploading. Let me know what content you guys like. Do you guys like me including a little bit of vlog with my hairstyle, or you guys want me to take it back to how it was before, just basically strictly hair, no vlogs, or just a little bit of vlog, or just keep it separate, hair videos and then vlogs, separate videos? Or do you want me to keep it like how I have it right now, hair and vlog in one video? But comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see in the future. Any suggestion, constructive criticism is welcome, just as long as we're keeping it respectful. And I'll check back in with you later. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. All right, bye.